Get your Kazoo now from the link in the description.
Hi guys, hope you're doing well. My name is Siddharth. It's a beautiful rainy day and today I'm going to show you how you can play your kazoo like a harmonica. Now harmonicas are not expensive. You can easily get a cheaper one in Amazon. Then why? Why would you want to play a kazoo like a harmonica? The purpose of this video is to explore the possibilities of kazoo. All the different kinds of sound it can make, and one of the sound happens to be harmonica. Without harmonies, of course, because human voice imitation. It can only produce one sound at a time unless if you have a crazy vocal technique. I've made similar videos like how to play a kazoo like a saxophone and how to play a kazoo like a shandai. So if you find this video helpful, then you will find those videos helpful too. Check them out. Now kazoo is an instrument which makes sound when you hum on it. That's what we know. But if you simply hum on it, it sounds something like this. That doesn't sound that great, right? But when you add something to it, like a T sound or D sound, which throws a pressure. B also throws pressure, but you can't do that because your lips join when you make a B sound and you can't play it. Doesn't happen. But T's and D's create a great impact. One of the technique I've already shown in my previous videos is the do method. T or tu or ta, and then the remaining threes will be do. And when you sing in do method, it sounds something like this. Now let me show you a technique which you can use it to make it sound like a harmonica. I've seen certain videos where you have to tape the other end of the kazoo and punch a hole into it to make it sound like a harmonica. That's not necessary if you have a sweet line kazoo. Why? Because it has an airtight body. What I mean by airtight body is that the only way the air can escape through is the other end of the kazoo and the membrane. If you try it with the aluminum kazoo, you'll find the difference. Now one way to check if your kazoo is airtight or not is to hum your kazoo and block the other end of the kazoo with your finger and see if you can hum on it. If you're able to hum on it, then it's not airtight. It goes something like this. Your cheeks will blow in and it will look kind of funny and it will feel kind of funny. Now the benefit of your kazoo being airtight is that it has a fuller sound. A right amount of bass, a right amount of mids and right amount of treble. Otherwise, it's just treble and it sounds like a toy. This one's not. Okay, by the way, this is a painted kazoo by my wife. Her name is Madeline Remedios. Check out her on Instagram. She does all kind of painting and she's into nail art. Ladies, if you want to get your nails done, you can contact her. I'll post the link in the description. So here's the mute technique. Hold the other end of the kazoo like this, like a cone shape. And when you hum on it, you just have to move your hand a little bit. And that's it. Now kazoo sounds best when you use a falsetto sound. Now this technique is also called a plunger mute technique, which is often used in jazz. And that's why you can create jazzy sounds with the kazoo with the same technique. I could have titled this video how to play jazz in your kazoo. You can do both, by the way. By now you might have some idea that this technique is not only helpful to make it sound like a harmonica, but to also create jazzy sounds which can be helpful in various ways, or you can use your own creativity to see what's possible. I hope this video was helpful to you one way or the other. It goes without saying that this technique works best when you have good control on your instruments. And in this case, your instruments are your vocals as well as kazoo. So remember, the more you play it, the better you become. Thanks for watching.